keeps crashing, won't load, or you can't log in, follow these steps in order. If the issue is caused by Instagram's servers, you'll simply need to wait until Meta fixes it. Step 1. Check if Instagram is down. Before changing anything on your device, check whether Instagram is experiencing a global outage. If many users are reporting problems, the issue is likely on Instagram's end and cannot be fixed from your phone. If Instagram servers are down, wait for Meta to restore the service. Avoid uninstalling the app or repeatedly trying to log in. Try again after 15 to 30 minutes. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent Instagram from loading. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your Wi-Fi router if needed. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Test another app or website to confirm your internet is working. Step 3. Force close Instagram. Temporary app glitches can often be fixed by restarting the app. Android 1. Open settings. 2. Tap apps. 3. Select Instagram. 4. Tap force stop. 5. Reopen Instagram iPhone. 1. Swipe up or double press the home button on older models. 2. Swipe Instagram away to close it. 3. Open Instagram again. Step 4. Restart your device. A simple restart clears temporary system issues. Turn your phone completely off, wait about 30 seconds, turn it back on, launch Instagram again. Step 5. Update Instagram. Using an outdated version can cause crashes or compatibility issues. Open your device's app store, search for Instagram, install any available update, restart the app. Step 6. Clear Instagram cache. Android. Corrupted cache files can cause the app to crash or freeze. 1. Open settings. 2. Go to apps. 3. Tap Instagram. 4. Select storage. 5. Tap clear cache. 6. Open Instagram again. Note, iPhone doesn't offer a cache clearing option. If needed, reinstall the app instead. Step 7. Free up storage space. Low storage can affect app performance. Delete unnecessary files or apps. Ensure you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free storage. Restart your phone after freeing space. Step 8. Disable VPN or proxy. VPNs and proxy services can interfere with Instagram's connection. Disconnect any active VPN. Close the VPN app. Try opening Instagram again. Step 9. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date or time settings may prevent secure connections. Open date and time settings. Enable set automatically. Restart Instagram. Step 10. Reinstall Instagram. If the app still isn't working, 1. Uninstall Instagram.